Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to use Street View on the Google Maps mobile app, step by step. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure you're connected to the internet. Search for a place by typing its address or name in the search bar, or simply zoom and pan around the map until you find the location you want to explore. When you've located your destination, press and hold on the map to drop a red pin at that spot. A small card will appear at the bottom of your screen with information about the place. If Street View is available there, you'll see a square thumbnail labeled Street View, or with a circular arrow icon. Tap this thumbnail. You'll now be in Street View mode. Use your finger to drag left, right, up or down to look around in 360 degrees. To move along the street, tap the white arrows that appear on the road. The view will jump forward or backward, depending on which way you tap. And that's it! You've learned how to explore places using Street View on your mobile device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other quick tips.